Hello guys, welcome to Bank Talk. So today we are studying about some more rules and the series has to be going on. So you have to be coming on the channel and getting to be complete knowledge about the English grammar. So today is the rule number 13. We are talking about rule number 13. What is the rule number 13 and this how we call it, how we understand this rule. Here is the rule number has to be telling about that कि article number कि how we utilize article number कि आर्टिकल हम लोग कैसे कहते हैं कि आर्टिकल दा का यूज़ हम लोग हमेशा सेकेंडरी पर्पज़ के लिए करते हैं और ये हम लोग को याद रखना होगा कि आर्टिकल जो है दा उसका यूज़ हम लोग सेकेंडरी पर्पज़ के लिए करते हैं और जो नो सूनर है उसका यूज़ हम लोग दैन के साथ करते हैं। हार्डली का यूज़ हम लोग वैन के साथ करते हैं और इस कास्टली का यूज़ हम लोग करते हैं वैन के साथ। ठीक है, ये याद रखना। नेक्स्ट स्टडी अबाउट द रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन का जो रूल है वो कहता है कि आई का जो होता है वो माई सेल्फ होता है और यू का योर सेल्फ एंड द वी हैज़ टू बी टेलिंग अबाउट अवर सेल्फ एंड द it has to be telling about itself and him or her is has to be telling about him herself. Okay, and then themselves. So this is all about the reflexive pronoun. And next we study about the rule number 16 and rule number 16 has to be telling about that keep, stop, turn, quality, bath, move, rest, hide, no followed, not followed by that कि reflexive pronoun follow नहीं करते ये। next we study about the next rule number and the next we turn about the rule number what ये जो rule number है वो 17 है कि rule number 17 में कहा गया है कि as well as and not together with unlike with along with in addition to and governed by accompanied by but besides led by run by. this is all about the rules has to be telling about that कि verb जो है इनमें according to first subject आती है. Okay, next we study about the rules. So this is all about the this is important a lot when we are studying and when we are going to solve the questions of English grammar. This is very important. You have to be completing the 120 rules of English grammar, then you have to be attempt any kind of English question. So please coming on the channel and getting to be a complete knowledge about the English grammar. I hope you have to be learn a lot from my channel. So there's the some has to be remaining. I have to complete it as soon as possible. You have to be coming on the channel and getting to be complete knowledge, and it is very important to you to have to be complete this series. And if you have completed 120 rule of English grammar, then you have to be able to solve any kind of questions related to English grammar. And in the today's in the competition exam, the grammar question has to be compulsory, has to be asked. So you have to be getting to be knowledge and doing the frequent revision of the 120 rule of English grammar. Then you have to be coming and getting to be complete knowledge. Then you have to be able to solve any kind of question. So you have to be coming on the channel. You have to be go here. You have to be revise and enjoy my sessions and getting the complete knowledge. This is important to you to revise and you have to make yourself prepare as the worst as possible for him, because in the examination the question level has to be always should be up and down. So you have to be prepare yourself for the up level and you have to be complete the frequent revision and vocabulary session also is to be important. So I have to be also start one of the series for the vocab also. So you have to be revise it from there. So this is next. Now we are studying about next rule. This is the rule number 18. Has to be talking about homophones like advise is noun, advise SVC has to be telling about noun, SE is telling about verb, V is telling about verb, EF is telling about noun. So is all about that. Next we study about the reflexive pronoun and the reflexive